Hello everyone, welcome to Shri Rama Bharati Public School online classes. My name is Vishali and let's begin with our subject EVS. So children, today we will be continuing with the same chapter, chapter 7 Days to Celebrate. We will be discussing the book exercise of this chapter. So children, let's begin with the book exercise of page number 54. Let's start with question number 1. Question number 1 says, fill in the blanks and choose the correct festival from the box. So there is a box given to you which has options and we have to choose the correct festival and write it in the blanks. A part. Dash is a festival of love between a brother and a sister. Which is a festival of love between a brother and sister? Diwali, Dashera, Raksha Bandhan? Right. The answer is Raksha Bandhan. So we will write down RAKSHABandhan. रक्षा बंधन. इफ इट डज नॉट कम इन दिस स्पेस आप थोड़ा सा नीचे भी लिख सकते हैं. चिल्ड्रन प्ले विथ कलर्स ऑन इन विच फेस्टिवल डू वी प्ले विथ कलर्स? ऑन होली. HOLI. H will be capital of Holi. It is a proper noun. Dash is a national festival celebrated in the month of January. We have studied about 3 national festivals, right? So which national festival is celebrated in the month of January? Yes, Republic Day. Come on, write down. REPUBLIC. Republic. DAY. Day. Republic Day. D part. Dash festival is celebrated in Tamil Nadu. Out of all these festivals, which festival is celebrated in Tamil Nadu? Yes, Pongal. Pongal is a harvest festival. PONGAL. Next, every year 15th August is celebrated as Independence Day. INDEPENDENCE. Independence. DAY Day. Okay, now let's have a look at question number 2. Match the columns. So let's match Holi. Holi we will match with Namaz and Sevaiya, no. Midnight Mass, no. Mahatma Gandhi, no. Lord Krishna, no. Colors and balloons. So you can match it with colors and balloons. And this is A part, so you can write down here A. Okay, in the bracket. Eid ul Fitr. What do we do on Eid ul Fitr? We read namaz and eat sevaiya. So we will match here it with the B part. We'll write down B. Okay. Next, Christmas. What do we do on Christmas? On Christmas there is a midnight mass. People attend the midnight mass, right? So we will match it with midnight mass and we will write down here C part. Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhi Jayanti is associated with Mahatma Gandhi. It is the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. So we will match it with Mahatma Gandhi and we will write down D part. Next, Janmashtami. Janmashtami is associated with Lord Krishna. So we will match Janmashtami with Lord Krishna and I will write down here E part. So children, now let's discuss page number 55. Question number 3. Give one word answer. A part says one function you celebrate with your family. Which is a function that you celebrate with your family? Mostly functions we celebrate with our family only. So we'll write down here Diwali. 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 Next, the national festival celebrated on 2nd of October. Which is a national festival celebrated on 2nd of October? It is Gandhi Jayanti. So we'll write down Gandhi, Gandhi Jayanti, Jayyanti, Jayanti. Next, the festival to worship goddess Durga. On which festival do we worship goddess Durga? Durga Puja. Durga, Durga, Puja, Puja. So children, D part says Ravan's effigy is burnt on this day. On which day do we burn Ravan's effigy? On the day of Dashera. So we will write down the spelling Dussehra. Dashera. Next, the festival to mark birthday of Sikh Gurus. Which is a festival to mark the birthdays of Sikh Gurus? It is Gurpurab. Gur, Gur, Purab, Gurpurab. Right? Now let's start with question number 4. Which festival are these children talking about? They have given us a hint. We have to identify the festival. I decorate my home with diyas. On which festival do we decorate our home with diyas? On the festival of Diwali. So I will write down Diwali, Diwali. I eat langar with my father. See, there is a Sikh boy saying this. Langar we eat in Gurudwara. So they are talking about Gurpurab. Gurpurab, Gurpurab. I wait for Santa to bring me gifts. On which festival does Santa bring gifts for us? Festival of Christmas. 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 I have flag hosting in my school today. So flag hosting we have in our schools on Republic Day. Right? So we will write down Republic, Republic, Day, Day. Next, I will go to see Ram Leela. Ram Leela is organized on the day of Diwali. So they are talking about Diwali function. Diwali. I greet everyone Eid Mubarak. Eid Mubarak. In the festival of Eid ul Fitr. Eid. Eid. ULFITR. Eid ul Fitr. Achha children, question number 5. These question answers have already been done in notebook. So we will not be discussing it because we have already discussed it. So children, this is the end of our video. We have discussed all the book exercise. Thank you for watching my video and stay tuned with me for more such videos.